All right, everyone. Tor Ultra Lo from Hoka. This is a special release. If you're seeing this video, they are live, so go ahead and hop on the website, hop on the Hoka page, and you'll see you got to call in, or rather email, and hand it over to the phone. We're trying to combat this bot situation that the world is suffering with. But nonetheless, the Ultra Lo. This time we've got it in like a white with some grays, with some off-whites. Kind of cool. So instead of it just being like a stark white shoe all the way throughout, there's definitely some difference in the color and some contrast between some of the paneling and some of the mesh and some of the leather. So they're dope though. So let's start off just from like kind of like the top down view. How you'd see them if you had these on your hogs. Love this toe cap, super functional if you were gonna actually like hike in these, spend some time outdoors, whatever outdoor activity you're doing. You could do a little trail running, what have you. But I like the functionality of the toe cap. I also hate when like the front of sneakers get kind of like, messed up and kind of falling apart in the front. So this should combat that. We've got a lot of cushion, as you can tell. This is gonna be a nice chunky sneaker that we've all, come to know and love. Chunkier more than not. Put these on, the first thing you notice is like with all other Hoka sneakers, if you're not familiar, you get like this nice roll to them. So they feel good for your body, good for your back, I suppose. But yeah, so we got these thick laces here on top, nice, thick and round. You're not gonna have to replace these often, or if ever. Feel very, very sturdy, heavy duty. Got some Gore-Tex in here as well for all the Gorp heads out there who are gonna take these on their trip to Antarctica with some rain, with some snow, maybe some hail mixed in here. Hailed in Denver recently again. It's crazy, but yeah, we've all seen these, so just gonna kind of call out the things that make them different. But it's cool to see see the contrast. An all white sneaker in this silhouette might not get the appreciation it deserves because you wouldn't see all those contrasting pieces. You wouldn't maybe notice this toe cap up front and appreciate. We got like this sort of like, it's like a very fine suede, but it ain't like a smooth leather. But yeah, all the fixings. We got the pull tab in the back for ease of access. Lots of cushioning around the ankle here, so I wouldn't anticipate too much break-in or pain around the ankle as you're breaking them in. But Tor Ultra Lo, Shop Canoe Club, hop on the product page and shoot us an email. We'll do our best to get you your size secured. Thank you.